So here is Catzy App self-care journey. Take care of yourself today. So here is the app. It's becoming quite popular. A self-care app focused on your mental well-being is your friendly companion or the best for caring for yourself. Helps you feel healthier, more confident, and full of energy, so you can finally move past the things that once felt too hard. Set goals, emotional reflections, mood calendar, focus timer, breathing exercises, sleep helper. So this is the idea. I can just open this up and then this is what you have on yearly or weekly. And then you can see you can do like self-reflection. You can see here what you can do. You can get like the best deal. You can see kind of this virtual map. And then yeah, you can see profile interactions. You can add widgets. So yeah, premium. Again, this is the price. The design here is a bit too much, I would say, because it feels a bit too clunky for me, especially if you're just opening the app. There are too many colors, and here in the bottom right, you just have the goal button, which is not super visible for me. So here is new goal. So for example, we can just tap 1 minute breathing exercise. Notify me, you can select schedule, link a tool, you can add to journey, and then you can just, okay, create. And then, for example, you just select these goals. So that's kind of the idea, how you just setting up these goals. And that's how you, for example, can get started. Like this breathing exercise, that's how you just do it. And you just add in these goals and you need to complete them. And for this, you just earning this kind of coins. And then you can see daily visit, add a new goal. Can add friends, follow on Reddit. So that's kind of how you can just add friend, invite with your ID. And then you can see your friends available. Oops, it's a bit glitchy. And then here is also you have image screenshot. So a lot of features, a lot of fun here. Interactions. What are interactions? How you can interact with your pet. You just give some food. And that's kind of the idea. So try it out.